Good day, my brothers and sisters, my fathers, my mothers, back there in Africa, my country, Nigeria. I just came out to make this video this wonderful afternoon concerning the election that is about to come forth in Nigeria tomorrow, which is 16th days February 2019. I'm about to let you see things that you're about to do. We know life is all about freedom. Life is all about what you want for yourself, not what you want for other people. Please, if you're lying, you share the video to your loved ones, to anybody close to you. We can never say because we are in Europe, we don't have a country, or we don't have a continent, or we don't know where we are coming from. We know where we are coming from. At the same time, if you know where you are coming from, you should be able to make amend between where you are now and where you are coming from. Please, if you listen to me, you share the video. If you're my friend, you share the video. Share it to other of your friends so that it can go viral. Share it to your loved ones. Share it to your family out there in Nigeria. They shouldn't make the same mistake our father made. Atiku have tested power. Buhari have tested power. Buhari tested power before in 80s or in 70s. We were thinking when Buhari come back in 2015, we'll be able to make good change and a better life for Nigeria. Even we that is here in Europe, we are not enjoying the Europe, but it's far, far better than the Africa we come from. You're about to make the same mistake again. Everybody might not be having the opportunity to leave the country. Everybody might not be having the opportunity to have money. But there's an average life that one is expected to live in this world that we are before you depart from it. If you are living in a life when there is no light, there is no water, there is no good road, where you cannot give yourself 2 square meals a day, let me not say 3, where you cannot give yourself 2 square meals in a day, my dear brother, my dear sister, my father, my mother, it is better you are not living in the world at all, where you cannot take care of yourself. We're not talking about expensive life. We're just talking about maximum of life. You cannot buy clothes for your children. You cannot take your children to school. You cannot get good treatment. You cannot eat good food. We are not talking about buying a luxury cars. We're just talking about that's maximum life, small life that is not too big. And once you cannot get those things, see, it is better not to live at all. It is even better not to be alive than to be alive and be humiliated all the days of your life. See, my dear brother, if you never leave Nigeria, you not go ever know the difference between Nigeria and other places. All those people that they come abroad, they don't know anything wey concern abroad. All those politicians, they go come to abroad to spend 3 months, 4 months. They'll say they go abroad. They don't know anything about Europe. I'm telling you, my dear brother, my dear sister, they don't know anything about Europe. What they do is to look for a hotel, they lodge in a hotel. Before you know, they spend money, they eat whatsoever thing they want to eat. They go for shopping. They say that Europe is okay. Who told you Europe is okay? See, there are dividends that people receive, even if you were not born in that country. There are things that are supposed to be given to you, which the government here in Europe they give to you, but in your own country they don't do it. See, my brother, don't make mistake in that vote you are going to vote. It is better. See, it is better not to have a friend than to have evil friends. It is better not for you It is better for you not to vote than to vote and be humiliated in your vote, than to vote and not to get the right thing, than to vote and vote the wrong people. If you vote Atiku, my dear brother, you go cry for another 4 years. You will even tell people that are close to you that Buhari is better than Atiku. Like we are even saying Jonathan is better than Buhari. Exactly what we have been saying. Our forefathers failed us. Our father failed us. Now, are you going to fail your children? Are you going to fail your children? Ask yourself if you are going to fail your children. See, that country, Nigeria, don't vote, don't go and vote Atiku or you vote Buhari. Just cast your vote somewhere. Cast your vote for somebody that have not tested power. Somebody who have not tested power. If you vote that person, they win the election, provided you know say you don't make the right choice. If you vote Buhari, PDP, APC, my brother, my sister, now your own you dey for your country where you dey, Agbero go beat you. You know fit talk. For your country where you dey, so boys go come humiliate you. For your own country, boys go come humiliate you. You know fit talk. What of if you come there another man land? You don't think I beg you wey wan go vote tomorrow, you wey carry stick, you carry gun, carry everything, say na do or die, you go die before 4 years. If you fight for Atiku, make Atiku win. If you not die, your family go die. If you vote, make Buhari win. If you not die for before 4 years, your family go die, make you foresee pain. Because people wey don't experience things for this Buhari regime, if they talk you go say na PDP they work against APC. When APC talk, you go say na APC they work against PDP. See, you need to test for the bitterness. Do you remember far back 2 months ago, 100 soldiers die. Till now we dey talk, so the soldiers wey die, their name they don't know how. Their names of those soldiers wey die, nobody know. They no gree print out. They no gree talk 100 people die for soldier. Then the government not talk about them. They talk about election. They not talk about them. Now that government you want go vote for. If 100 soldiers die, wey they know for Nigeria soldiers say they die, 100 die, and the government not talk about them. Now you they want talk of. You will not even near the society. Now you the one talk of. See, time don't reach for you to grow. The world don't too civilized. Be say if you do you dey toilet, people go even know say you dey toilet. Not be the one where you go vote. You say which one we go use. Make Kukuma use Atiku. You are getting the wrong choice. Go and vote somebody where they fit sit down. You go fit still read book. You go fit still open computer. You go see the things where they happen for another place. To take put for a place. Somebody wey go fit stand morning till night. Not be somebody wey dey sick. Anybody can be sick, but I dey tell you, if you know people wey die between 2017 to 2018 and you still dey alive, you can't still carry your hand, you wan go vote Buhari, you wan go vote APC, or you wan go vote PDP, say you need to test from the bitterness. Anywhere where you dey for that country, wey dey for that Nigeria, you need to test them for these 4 years wey wan continue after February. You need to test pain. Your pikin need to sick, you know see money to treat am. Your father need to sick, you know see money to treat am. You need to get pain, you know see money to treat am. Government no go fit help you for that vote where you go vote wrongly. I dey tell you, people dey Europe today, they suffer. If they see the pain where they Europe, you go say thank God at least people dey way in better pass wey dey Africa. No be say they enjoy them. If the government of Nigeria, if e good, nobody go stay Europe. If sun come, na problem. If cold come, na problem. If you check the source of income of Africans and Europe supposed to dey come from Africa to they're supposed to come on from Europe, go dey beg food from Africa. But Africa get things. They get things they no sabi use am. Na make oyibo dey control wetin they get. Na be the life wey we dey face for this Europe today. I beg you, my brother, I beg you, my sister, anywhere where you dey watch this, even though you not dey on life now, share this thing to those one wey dey Africa. Make them know the mistake wey they wan make. If they vote tomorrow, by Monday result go come out, and any result wey they get from on Monday night, they go suffer for another 4 years. They go call, they pray, make another 4 years correct. Make they foresee another government where they want vote again. How long you want it do am? This thing our papa do am, our forefathers do am, they fail. Our third fathers do am, they fail. Our own papa do am, they fail. Now it don't reach your tongue. If you want vote, go vote AAC. Omoyole Shuore. He not get godfather. He not get godmother. He never do any politics from anywhere before. Before that one start to dey chop Nigerian money, all these useless leader wey you dey see so, they go intervene, tell am say, hey, you son of nobody. You know if you come dey waste the resources of this country. I believe that one go fear. Than for you to give somebody wey don't dey into power, he don't rule for custom, come tire, come go put generator shop. Somebody wey open generator shop. Just imagine, Falknesa wey no get motor. You just expect Falknesa no get motor. You expect, say if he see you wey get motor, make him not look your tire, say your tire never leak. He go look am. If Atiku fit open generator factory, he get generator factory. If he open up for Nigeria, he no wish light na light no go ever come. This thing wey me dey talk so, fella don't do am, fella do for where fella for die, na there for rest. Other people see they do am. All those celebrities wey we get, we call themselves Two-Face, call them Davido, they no even come out. Say no sell your vote, no sell your vote. But if they want go campaign for APC, they go stand, carry APC flag. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Très bien, vous.
Merci.
J'étais passé hier.
C'est le gars, c'est...
Voilà. Bonjour, vous allez bien,
Il est où, monsieur?
Elle n'est pas là, hein, s'il vous plaît.
Ah d'accord, elle n'est pas là. D'accord, bah je repasse la semaine prochaine, gentiment. Voilà, je vous remercie beaucoup.
Au revoir.
Bonne journée, au revoir.
So, like I was saying, my brother, somebody will get complete for generator, you go expect light from her. Somebody will never even enter power, though they talk say he want make a friend rich. A friend and a family go rich. What of you will not get somebody for power? What of you will not know anybody for local government? Where you go there? Now your head, they go take make yourself rich. He never even enter power. He say he go sell NPC. Now assurance. Now don't they give. You, they make mistake. They carry flag. They go kill yourself over PDP. They go kill yourself over APC. Now your own, now they talk for. Now your own now day. For you to dey land. For you to dey land as a king where they not recognize you. You better be as help for land where they recognize you. If you dey Nigeria, you dey Africa, you dey any part of that country, Nigeria, and you go vote APC, PDP, you no vote AAC, you no vote Omoyele Sowore, you no vote am. By 2020, you call the complain say the country dey bad. My brother, carry your cross o, face am. If they share rice, eat. Imagine APC pour garri for inside cellophane, packet and come put tag. They share am for people. What do you expect? Hunger never started. Hunger never start. Some as you big rich, as your mama old rich, as your papa old rich, now you go drag. May they give you 5,000 for election grant. Where you want it for another 4 years. 4,000 for another grant. For poly vote. Where they go give you, now you want it for 4 years. Now your life you don't eat. Your children life you don't eat. The punishment where you take go vote for Atiku, for that 4 years you go eat them, make you not complain to anybody, because now we sabi make mistake. Now we know now Nigerians know they take correction. Now Nigerians sabi make mistake. Now Nigerians now say they complain pass. Now Nigerians complain pass. Oh, now you don't they wear trousers, you don't they wear shoe, you don't they put cap for head. They put gun for pocket. If they go primary school for where they vote, you want to go cause commotion for them, make Atiku for win. Make you want to go carry a ballot box, make Atiku for win, or make Buhari for win. Don't worry. The money where they want give you go finish. She be where they for they take. If they not put, it go finish. No worry. By the time you don't do and finish tomorrow, on the 16th February, which is tomorrow Saturday. By the time you don't do and finish, the hunger go start in 3 months' time. It will tell you, say, government never settled the new do election. You go use until finish this year. Next year, hunger go. It go finally start. You work, they not pay you, not call anybody with they abroad, Not complain for anybody with they abroad. Not tell person say, na so Maggi dear, na so Maggi ship, na so all you go up, na so this one happen. Because by the time they send €100 for you, 40,000 naira, you go say not rich, you don't fit buy anything for market. Wait, please say somebody wey dey Europe, if they live with €50. If they live with €50, a whole Nigeria no fit pay 30,000 for minimum wage. They fit pay 40,000 for minimum wage. 40,000 not reach 1,000, it not reach €100. But they no fit pay am. And they pay 30 point something million for senators where they sit down, AC go they blow them. They go carry one small paper for hand, they negotiate Nigeria. Whether they want sleep or they want wake, they go they talk am. Then at the end of the month, they go come give the 30 million where they take sit down, drive any car of their choice. Reach there, they go see pay, they go pay allowance, pay everything. Contract they go carry. At the end, these people not get anything to offer you. Then you will still wake up. Say na Atiku na good. Now Osinbajo they not get one thing when he do. Tomorrow Osinbajo go get up, he go say he want become president because this time when he dey vice, he not get power. If you dey president and you not get, if you dey vice president, you not get power. Now when you dey president and you can't get power, say make we not the foolish order again. If you make mistake tomorrow, you no vote AAC. You no vote AAC, you no vote Omoyele Sowore, you no vote am. The number 3 symbol for that logo where they take the vote, you go vote PDP, you go vote APC, you no vote for your own candidate, you can't go vote PDP, you go vote Umbrella, you go vote Blue. Anything where you see for 4 years, take am, na your own. Face am. Face am. I dey tell you the truth. This one at time where you be say if you work you go eat. Anything where you achieve, where you see for these years where would they so anything where you see for this 2020 where they come 3 months from now, 4 months from now, take am, not call anybody. Because Nigerians they get deaf ear. They sabi argue. If you open your mouth, they tell Nigerians say see what did they happen. He go say forget. He go say forget. He go they follow you argue am. Now so they take they argue. Now so they take they argue. They go argue yesterday for today. The time when you go take they look for things to take do, he go they follow you argue. Now you now still Nigeria still get 24 hours. If you not reach 24 hours, I see at least 15 hours more or 12 hours more to enter Saturday, which is 16th of February 2019, you can still make a change. You can still change your mind. You see that man wey can't share money for you. He not get wetin he want give you. The money wey share for you, now he want to recover am back. Money wey borrow for World Bank, now he want to recover am back, now they fine. Go vote the one wey me and you donate 5 naira for 20 naira. Wey we take donate, put for power. Now good to omo your left show AAC, go vote that man. If you vote that man, if wahala dey, we know how to cure am. If papa na fisherman, if mama na common primary school teacher, where be say they know they see kaba, where person no come get up say the past government na so they do this, na so they do this, na so they do this. Where be say the person wey no go blame the former government when he first dey. If Atiku rule for 8 years, follow Obasanjo, today Nigeria still be the way it be, and you say na Atiku you want go vote for. Not forget, the thing when it happen for Obasanjo regime go happen again. Una go face am. Una go face am. If you no face am, no call anybody. If you no face am, no call anybody. You wait, they go to ballot boss for who sit down. This season they go abandon you. If you thief ballot boss finish, they go abandon you. And another one where I want to talk of our celebrities, Davido, Whiskey, Two-Face, many others. Flavor. All these people, you know why they look them? None of them even get help for the country. They don't get anything to offer us. Now we make these people climb. If we know they buy their music, if we know they subscribe to their music, they know if they on top of the world. You know if we hear from there. We don't suffer. Do the book a finish. Buy Two-Face music, Africa Queen. Come make a hammer money. Now they tell us make we not sell our vote. That one not be so person they talk. If you not there for left, you supposed to dey right. If you not there right, you go there for middle. Don't sell your vote. That's nonsense. If na PDP you want campaign, you know see the video. It just straightforward. He let people know say in a PDP. And we go open one leg for you, open one leg for you. Wetin happen? If Two-Face or any other musicians like Africa Channel, they condemn wetin the present government they do. Why they no support Omo Yele show wore? People like Flavor, if they support wetin, if they dey against wetin Buhari they do, if they dey against wetin Atiku they do, why they no support Omo Yele show wore? None of these people fit follow this our young candidate do campaign. None of them at all. They go hide for backyard. They go hide for corridor. They say no sell your vote. If I no sell my vote, who I go give am for? But if na PDP talk say they want do concert, make Flavor go sing for there, they go dance, they go sing, they go tell people say make they vote PDP. You see where the wahala they come? Where APC invited, they go sing, they go say make they vote APC. But now they say no sell your vote. If Two-Face tell us say make we not sell our vote, who person Two-Face want make we vote for? Nigerians, our leaders, they don't frustrate the country. Even the person when it dey normal go dey behave as normal. Person wey dey well, wey dey okay, he go dey behave as normal. He no dey reason well again. Primary school student for Europe, he get brain pass person wey be first class upper for Nigeria. The way he go think, you wey finish school no go ever think like that. Because our life for Nigeria na how to consume. Our life for that Africa na how to consume. to make and to manufacture, to produce the things to do for this our head, we go make the country go forward in no day. Then when we see somebody we see get small idea we go want give us, they go they use a present condition, a present predicament, a present condition. They go they use them, they attack them. If you ask Nigeria's question, for him to go straight to the question, he go they use question, they answer question. And Nigeria for they happen. Now Nigeria for they happen. When we go learn to stop this thing? Nnamdi Kanu come out. They fight for Biafra. They fight for IPOB. They fight make Biafra come. For people to support Nnamdi Kanu, they say Nnamdi Kanu not doing well. If Nnamdi Kanu not doing well, which one you as a person don't do well, not be failure? At least for the history of Nigerians, if they can remember the East, they can also remember Nnamdi Kanu. For anything we don't do for the society, you won't call where they condemn people. What did they want to remember you for? What do you don't think? Since when they born you, you be 10 years, where you don't experience this government, that they repeat each other. Now you don't be 45. Now you don't be 43. Now you don't be 44. Now you don't go 50s. What it be the good things where you don't contribute for the country? Those one will die strongly to make the country do okay. And you will be alive. Which one better pass? The one will die no better pass. The one will die no better pass. You where they go to ballot boss give government wey don fair rule again, say e must rule. Wetin be the difference is where you dey tell them say these people must rule because of the money wey you get, because of the nonsense ass wey you beat. Too flat, you can't buy car, Jonah. The car, the thing where they pay me pass our government, they stupid, eh? From federal level to local government level, all of they stupid. The cars where they thief money for, where they use their generation money, their children, source of their children destiny, where they use and buy. Now boys, small children, now they ride down here. If you drive am for 6 months, he go say in daughter, he don't like this one again. He go give them. They go give her another one. For Nigeria, a person buy car, everybody go dey happy. They go come do party, say they buy car. And Nigeria for the happen. Person build house, they go dey happy, say build house. For Europe, I don't remember say that they do that kind of thing for here. I beg you, if we say make we go for the story, it's too much to go. But one thing I want to beg you, try to vote the right person. 1 + 1 na 2, 2 + 2 na 4, 4 + 4 na 8. Now so it they go. If you bring your vote, another person bring his vote. For one ballot boss, una give AAC. E no get as they will ring the election. The result must come out. But by the time you don't go vote PDP, because they thought say AAC no win. Now you stupid, not be people will vote AAC. Because people they campaign and you do like say no concern you. That concern will not concern you. No complain. Where the teeth tie up, no complain. Because Nigerians, our complaint on the finish. If PDP win, if APC win, you can't see somebody where they Europe. Can't they tell us say this country hard? Now that country way hard, now go kill you. That country way hard, now you go remain. You not go ever see opportunity where you go take come out. Because opportunity now console for you to make change for the country. Opportunity now console for you to make difference for anything we don't happen for the country. You not do. You want to go collect 5,000, you want to go collect 3,000, you want to go collect 2,000, you want to go collect 1,000, you want to go collect anything. They promise you appointment. They tell you say after this one, and so they want to make you this one. Because of that one, you want to go full vote article. The people will die for Benue. They go cause calamity for your family. The soldiers, the Nigerian soldiers wey die, as their wife dey complain, as their children dey cry for wetin a Buhari government do for them. Na so your own go cry for these 4 years when it dey happen so. Because na every opportunity wey una dey get, now una dey misuse. How can Atiku just wake up after a 4-day APC for 2 years ago, follow Buhari campaign, just come out from nowhere, come say in a PDP? You can't think for inside your mind, say nobody worth the position again. Na Atiku na worth am. See, na that Atiku wey you vote for, now you go eat for 4 years, eh? Now you go eat, make you face am, make you eat am belle full. Because they say na 2 times, na person they make mistake, none of the way good. If you make mistake 2 times and you not correct yourself, none of the mistake way good, eh? As far as say you not correct the mistake, you make mistake, you vote Buhari, the souls and the life and the properties wey Buhari don't destroy, you can't go vote Buhari again. This pain wey don't happen for 4 years go happen to your family. That one na your portion. Because if something not hot for Nigeria head, they know they ever change. They know they ever change at all. So the smoke when it blow for 4 years, we never felt touch you for that Buhari, for this past years since 2015 to now. The smoke when they blow for the countries since we not reach where it dey. If you vote Buhari this time, the smoke go reach your ass. You go feel the pain, you go feel the agony. If you vote Atiku, you go feel the pain, you go feel the agony. Now what I get to tell you, to tell Nana be that. Go and vote AAC, somebody who have not tested power before. He said it is better to try than to try and fail. It is better to try than not to try at all. It is better to try than not to try at all. That is it, my brother. So go and vote Omoyele Sowore, AAC, Africa Action Congress. Go and vote. That one where they put 2 hands together, where they jump 2 hands together, where they get black symbol. Go and vote that place. Vote your vote, remove mind. If God be God, the stone that the builder rejected will become the chief cornerstone. I tell you. And at the same things when I want to talk, the things where they worry our pastors, now they worry our musicians. The things where they worry our celebrities, now they worry our pastors. Where they confuse their generation for devil, saying that God that they serve. Where they frustrate the people of Nigeria, they say that God that they serve. Where they put people for 4 months, 3 months, 30 days prayer, they say that God that they serve. Where they know they feel make different for their own community, not to talk about their generation. They know they make different for where they dey, not to talk about people where they far from them. They don't frustrate Nigeria government. They don't kill Nigeria government finish, all for the sake of religion. Christians. How many times Oyedepo don't gather people go do rally? If na Pastor Ebi, he no hear say people die for Benue State. He no hear say they kill Nigeria soldiers. He no know soldiers wey don't die for Borno. He no know souls wey don't destroy for Borno. He no see wetin dey happen for the country. All of the day. He say where ants, when see, wish where they keep person pikin, where ants sight pikin, he go they cry. This religious leader so, on our own time though they reach. I tire for Shika, or I tire for the S-men, where they use our common people, our small children, till they test their rifle. They know they look for politicians For 4 years now, where they do the kill souls, they destroy life and property for the country. No politicians don't go down. No pastors don't go down. Because these people know they feel the pain, now make them know they feel talk for the country. There's a bit talk say come put money for altar, come put money for church, come put money for this, come put money for this one. They know they feel talk say today what is the apple for this country no good. We want do rally, make them bring light, make light dey this country. They no go do rally for that one. They no go protest for that one. Say let no dey this country, make we do am, make light dey. They no go do am. They buy properties. Imagine person wey call himself say he want become leaders. Now when he enter power, he go one big mansion. The person was poor. He's a gold digger. When you enter power, now you want build house, now you want buy car. That means you were poor. You were a pauper. You are living the life of opportunity. These people are living the life of opportunities. If they know they live the life of opportunity, imagine. Wo Shomole don't become a national chairman for APC. Now they buy properties. Now they fly jets. That means he's a good guy. He was a common man. He just get opportunity of power. And then want builders. That's nonsense. Common sense not the common. That's so it be for this religious leader. Bring money, come associate. They go turn your success to become predicament for you. They go turn your success to become failure for you. These people. Turn you against your family, turn your family against you, turn you against your children. They go turn the family upside down. But these people never wake up one day. Say, wait till the apple for our country is not good. Make we protest. Make Redeem come out. Make Rock of Ages come out. Make Omega Fire Ministry come out. Make Winners come out. Protest. Say, this the way this government they do it too much. For 4 years. Say, now God now send you. I know dispute and say God no dey. God dey as long as we are breathing. And we are not paying for it. We dey manage this soil where we dey manage, e no dey collapse. All those who are rich, we be say if we wake up in the morning, we go give thanks to God, say, God don't do one for our life. But aside that one, you no get work, you no dey work at all. You can't wake up for you to go find work, for you to go find what you want to do, make you forget money. Come go church. Come go church. Go they pray, they do fasting. You don't know what they do. You stupid. You not get sense. Because even the Bible talk and say no food for lazy man. He say anything where you put on, then go bless. So you know if you expect when your mates they go work, they go look for something where they want to do where they'll take get money. Then you they sleep for us. They pray. They say opportunity go come. You fail them. You die among the people where they destroy the nation. You die among the people where they destroy the country. You die among the people where they use religions, they fight us. Because the right thing to do, you know they do. Somebody go just wake up. He go just they bring worship for altar. Say na so Bible talk. You they forbid Bible. They know they sell Bible for church. You know if you buy, make you open now. Whether now wait till they tell you. Now they come out for inside the Bible. I don't understand Nigerians at all. If you want to vote tomorrow, open your ear and open it very wide. Vote AAC. AAC, take it back. Africa Action Congress. Omoyele Sowore. If you vote that one, for 4 years, we go see the difference between before and now for Nigeria. The whole of Africa, they look up to Nigerians. The Nigerians where they look up to, they go down every day by day for their life. They go down every day by day. The thing where The thing wey full country no fit build. Refinery wey full country no fit build. Shebi Aliko Dangote don dey build am. Very soon now e go commission am. If na so e be, say the country na failure, make the kukuma sell the country, give Dangote, make e dey manage am for us. Make dem give am, make dem manage am for us, because the country where we dey, this our youth wey be say, oh my God, imagine the government wey you wan go vote for tomorrow. Now e be say mama no go fit pull e pint down again because your pikin na suspect. Pikin no go fit pull e pint down because e mama na suspect. Pikin no go fit pull e pint down because e papa na suspect. Everybody for the country na suspect. Even water wey dem dey drink for the country now, people dey fear. Imagine pants come change to revolution for the country now. That na government wey you wan go vote tomorrow. If you vote PDP, you vote APC, you go face am. No, because the smoke wey blow for this 2015 carry 2019, so when e never touch your family, from this henceforward, as you don go vote Buhari tomorrow, as you don go vote Atiku, that smoke wey blow for Benue State, that hunger wey blow for Borno, those soldiers wey die, the cry wey their children dey cry, wey their wife dey cry, wey anybody wey relate to them dey cry, you go cry am for these 4 years. Make you for feel the pain wey these same people dey feel so. Because it's a pity to see say if Buhari still stand, Oshomole stand, people go see dey run follow them. They say Baba, no problem, it is well. It is well, oh. It is well. Anything wey you sow today, you go start to dey reap am. Now till 4 months time, you go start to dey reap am again. If Buhari win, no problem. If Atiku win, no problem. But anything wey you see, you go face am. No call person wey dey abroad, oh. No call me, oh. No call your brother wey dey abroad. As me your be so, I don tell member of my family, if they no vote AAC tomorrow, the thing wey they vote, the result, na they go eat. Who call me? I go ask am. Shebi you say Buhari good, go meet Buhari. Shebi you say na Atiku na go fit make change, go meet Atiku. I don tell you, I don tell my friend wey I know for Nigeria, I don tell them, go vote AAC. If you say he no vote, na problem. Why he no go vote? E no concern me, no concern me. Now the country till they go. The thing wey dey happen for Nigeria, wey Nigeria dey face today, if e happen for another country, they don put that's war don start for the country. War don start for the country. Nigeria go dey bear, and the people who na dey bear follow, they no get mind to take change one day. Imagine when person come enter president, now go dey dream to go buy Ferrari. No see say their brain na local thing. Their brain very local. Washa, I just go remember you now. Tomorrow I just come do this video. May I tell you remember now. As e be say you do online, forward and you go forward this message, share am to people wey still dey online or people wey still dey in Nigeria. Forward and make the message for go viral. Make dem no go make the wrong choice. Make dem no go make the wrong choice, because they say the thing wey elderly man sit down dey see from distance. If small children enter if small children climb stew or mortar take dey look am, you no dey ever see am. The things wey people wey dey Europe dey see, person wey dey Africa e no go fit see am. Even though the person wey dey Africa wan see am, e don too late. Imagine what the video wey I dey make so, in less than 20 minutes or in 20 let me say in 20 minutes to 30 minutes, the whole people wey dey Europe go don receive this message. In 3 days time, somebody wey dey Nigeria never receive this message. Na there you see the difference. Nigeria na be say you go dey make call, you go recharge your phone, you go make call.